पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाक्य बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद पेज नंबर 791। कहोल ब्राह्मण, very important. First, so Atma Lakshanas, how they are given? Ashanaya pipase shokam moham jaram mrityum atyeti. Then yam atmanam viditva ब्राह्मणाः पुत्रेषणायाश्च वित्तेषणायाश्च लोकेषणायाश्च वित्थाय अथ भिक्षाचर्यं चरन्ति एतं वै तमात्मानं। देन या ही एव पुत्रेषणा सा वित्तेषणा या वित्तेषणा सा लोकेषणा उभे ही एते एषणे भवतः। सो द एषणा पार्ट इज देयर सेकंड। एषण त्याग इज संन्यास। देन थर्ड पोर्शन इज तस्मात् ब्राह्मणः पांडित्यं निर्विद्य बाल्येन तिष्ठासेत्। बाल्यं च पांडित्यं च निर्विद्य अथ मौनम् अमौनं च मौनं मुनिः अमौनं च मौनं च निर्विद्य अथ ब्राह्मणः। स ब्राह्मण केन स्यात्? व्हाट इज गिवन देयर? येन स्यात् ईदृश एव अतो अन्यदार्थम्। So actually entire Upanishad is, all Upanishads are covered in this much. Atma Lakshanam, how to attain it. So Eshana Tyaga, Sannyasa, and then it is Sarvat, it is Sarvantaraha, it is Sakshad Aparoksha Brahma, everything is given in one mantra. And Paramana Nididhyasanam, they are also explained. So when it was said, Eshate Atma, so Tamme Vyachakshva, Kahol asked that you have to tell me. Why you want to know? Yam viditva bandhanat pramuchyate. Bhashya. Yam viditva bandhanat pramuchyate. Knowing this, one will become free from bandhana. So Yajnavalkya said, Yajnavalkya eshate atma. Atma means that is you. But knowing that much is not enough. That is me means what is my Swarupa? If someone says you are Brahma, but I don't know what is Brahma, and I say I know I am Brahma, but I don't know what is Brahma, then that jnanam is incomplete. So I have to actually know what is Brahma. Now, some prashnas are there. Prashnayor avantar vishesha pradarsanartham paraprashati. Prashnayoho ushasta kahola prashnayoho. Chakrayana also asks the same question. Kahol is also asking the same question. So then what is the vishesha? What is the bheda between this? किम उषस्त कहोलाभ्याम एक आत्मा पृष्ठः किं वा भिन्नौ आत्मानौ तुल्य लक्षणा इति. Did Ushasta and Kahol are same Atma, or they are different Atma having same Lakshana? Kimva Bhinnau Atmanau, but Tulya Lakshanau. So now first Purvapaksha. Tatra Purvapaksham Grinnati. Bhinnaviti. Purvapaksha says Bhinnau iti yuktam prashnayoho apunaruktatva upapattehe. They are two different atmas according to Purvapaksha. Therefore, there is no punarukti in prashna. Uktam artham vyatireka dwara vivranoti. How do you say that? Yadi hi eka atma ushasta kahola prashnayor vivakshitas तत्र एकेनैव प्रश्नेन अधिगतत्वात् तद विषयो द्वितीयः प्रश्नो अनर्थकः स्यात्. यदि हि एक आत्मा उषस्थ कहोल प्रश्नयोः विवक्षितः, if only one atma was vivakshiта by both of them, then एकेनैव प्रश्नेन अधिगतत्वात्. In previous question alone this was already known. तद विषयो द्वितीयः प्रश्नो अनर्थक स्यात्. Then तद विषय का द्वितीय प्रश्न would have become अनर्थक. टीका. अथ एकं वाक्यं वस्तु परम तस्य अर्थवादो द्वितीयं वाक्यम. So then maybe it is like this. Ekam vakyam vastu param and its arthavada is dvitiya vakya. Dvitiya vakya means dvitiya prashna. Ushastha prashna is vastu para, atma para. Kahol prashna is arthavada. Tasya arthavado dvitiyam vakyam. न इत्याह. न च अर्थवाद रूपत्वं वाक्यस्य. वाक्य is not अर्थवाद. तस्मात् भिन्नावेतावात्मानौ क्षेत्रज्ञ परमात्माख्याविति केचिद् व्याचक्षते. So therefore some people here means Bhartru Prapancha Anuyayina. They say they are two different. One is Kshatrajna, another is Paramatma. Means one is Jiva, another is Ishvara, in this way. Vinnau etavatmanau Kshatrajna Paramatmakhyau iti kechid vyachakshate. टीका. द्वयोर वाक्ययोस् तुल्य लक्षणत्वे फलितमाह. If they have tulya lakshana, then what is the phalam? Tasmat bhinnau. They have saman lakshana. Kshetrajna, Paramatma, they have saman lakshana, but they are different according to Bhartru Prapancha. So these Bhartru Prapanchadi method, they have some upasana also included in their thinking. Okay. So they will have upasana only possible if Ishvara is different, Jiva is different. And then moksha is not here, it is hereafter for them. तत्र आद्यं वाक्यं क्षेत्रज्ञं अधिकरोति, द्वितीयं परमात्मानं इति अभिप्रेत्य आह. So first vakya is for kshetrajna according to Bhartru Prapancha. Second vakya is for Paramatma iti abhipretya आह kshetrajna Paramatma. Now Siddhanti is going to answer. ब्राह्मणद्वयेन अर्थद्वयं विवक्षितम् इति भर्तृ प्रपंच प्रस्थानं प्रत्याह. ब्राह्मणद्वयेन, these two brahmanas are which one? Ushastha Kohala, this fourth, fifth brahmana. By them, two different things are vivakshita. This is the Bhartru Prapancha Prasthana. Tan or tam prati. Against them, Acharya says, tanna. That is not true. Why? Ta iti pratigyanat. Ta iti pratigyanat. So, tam te. This is your Atma. That is given. Yeshata Atma. Iti prativachane pratignatam. प्रश्न प्रतिवचनयोर एकरूपत्वात् न अर्थभेदो अस्ति इति उक्तम उपपादयति। प्रश्न प्रतिवचनयोः एकरूपत्वात्, the questions are also same in both, the answers are also same in both, and therefore that one is talking about Kshetrajna, another about Paramatma, न अर्थभेदो अस्ति इति युक्तम इति उक्तम उपपादयति। एषत आत्मा इति हि प्रतिवचने प्रतिज्ञातम्। That is your Atma that was told to Ushastra. Same answer was given to Kahol also. That is your Atma. So that Atma cannot be different. And it is Sarvantara. One, but you see, Sankhyas, they accept different Atmas, all are Vibhu. Nyaya also. Different Atmas, all are Vibhu. So it is Sarvantara according to them. But that is not how it is here in Vedanta. So even this Upasaka kind of Artra Prapanchadi Mata, Bheda Bhedavad Mata, they all will say there are many Atmas. Or there, and most of the thinking will be based on Jiva only. They will use the word Jivatma, Paramatma. They will never use the word Atma. Tathapi Arthabhede ka anupapatti tatraha. Okay, so even if the same answer is given, maybe Arthabheda is there. What is stopping it from not having the same meaning? Different meaning. What is stopping it from them having different meaning? Arthabhede ka anupapatti. Arthabheda can still be there. इसे न च एकस्य कार्यकरण संघातस्य द्वावात्माना उपपद्येते. One कार्यकरण संघात cannot have two atma. एकस्य कार्यकरण संघातस्य द्वौ आत्मानौ न उपपद्येते. तदेव उपपादयति. एको ही कार्यकरण संघात. उपपादयति means now he explains, elaborates. एको ही कार्यकरण संघात. There is only one कार्यकरण संघात. एकेन आत्मना आत्मवान means each. You should understand. All atmas are, all कार्यकरण संघाtas are आत्मवान by one atma. न च उषस्तस्य अन्यः, कहोलस्य अन्यः. जाति तो भिन्न आत्मा भवति. That they are two different atma having same jati. Two different atma having same jati is not there. उषस्तस्य अन्यः, कहोलस्य अन्यः. जातितः भिन्न आत्मा न भवति. ठीक है. अच्छा, यहाँ जाति मीन्स स्वभाव. दैट इज हाउ इट इज गिवन. ठीक है. यू सी कार्य भेदात आत्म भेदम. All darshanas take in this way. If Karyakarana Sanghata is different, Atma is different. Nobody will be able to think in this way. I am sitting here, Indra is in Swarga, some Pishacha is in some other loka. We have one Atma. Unless they have done so much thinking that the Bheda is only in Upadhi. Bheda is not in Atma. So Upadhi Bheda, you leave it at Upadhi level. Don't bring it to Atma. This is elaborated beautifully in 5th Karika of Advaita Prakarana. यथैकस्मिन् घटाकाशे रजो धूमादिभिर्युते न सर्वे संप्रयुज्यन्ते तद्वज्जीवा सुखादिभिः. Atma is one. But sukha dukha is not that somebody sukha dukha goes to another person or another person, because that is at antakarana level. You don't have to put that at atma level. Jatitah intiga. Jatitah means swabhavatah. Aham aham iti ekakara spuranaad ityarthah. Ushastasya atma also is expressed or understood as aham. Kaholasya atma also is understood as aham. So then somebody may think they are, oh, if here it is one karyakarana sangha, it is another, so they are different. You say bhinna atma na bhavati. And for this reason also there is no tattva veda. Itasya na tattva veda ityaha. Dvayoho agaunatva atmatva sarvantaratva anupapattehe. Dvayoho, if there are two atmas, of both of them, they are gauna, agauna, means they both are mukhya, they both are atma, and they both are sarvantara. That is not possible. Dvayor agaunatva atmatva sarvantaratva anupapatte. Why? He explains further. Tadeva sputayati. He explains, elaborates. Yadi ekam agaunam brahma द्वयोर द्वयोः इतरेण अवश्यं गौणेन भवितव्यम्. यदि एकम अगौणम ब्रह्म, if one atma is brahma, which is agaunam means online, can you hear me?
Yes, Swamiji.
Agaunam means mukhyam. Brahma, then dvayoho itarena अवश्यम गौणेन भवितव्यम. Please. No, what is that? Agaun. So agauna means that which is aparoksha. Agaunam brahma dvayoho itarena avashyam gaunena bhavitavya. Then two, the second one has to be gauna only. So if you say agauna as aparoksha, then gauna will become paroksha. Gaunena bhavitavyam. Gaunena bhavitavyam means gauno bhavet tatha gaunam bhavet. Itarena avashyam gaunena bhavitavya. In the same way, tatha atmatvam sarvantaratvam cha. Atmatvam also same, sarvantaratvam cha. Intiga. द्वयोर मध्ये यदि एकम ब्रह्म अगौणम तद इतरेण गौणेन अवश्यम भवितव्यम. तथा आत्मत्वादि यदि एकस्य इष्टम तद इतरस्य अनात्मत्वात् इति कुतः स्यात् इति चेत् तत्र आह. If it is atma for one, it will be for the other. If there were many atmas, आत्मत्वादि यदि एकस्य इष्टम तद इतरत्वात् अनात्मत्वादि इति कुतः स्यात्. इति चेत् तत्राह विरुद्धत्वात् पदार्थानां, because the padarthas are viruddha. So if one says it is Atma, so if one Atma is aparoksha, other will become paroksha. One is drashta, then other will become drishya. If they accept many. If you say like and all, they say many Atmas, all are drashtas. Other than Atma, something else is there is drishya. But if there are infinite drashtas, they don't have issue with that. Every darshan has their own way of understanding. 5 number टिप्पणी अनेकत्व मुख्यत्वादीनां विरुद्धत्वा. Anekatva is there and all are mukhya also, there is viruddha. Mukhya has to be only one. Tika he explains. Ukta upapakam dvishravanasya abhi. So now, why the shravanam is twice? Dvishravan. Yadi ekam sarvantaram brahma atma मुख्य इतरेण असर्वांतरेण अनात्मना अमुख्येन अविष्ट. If one atma is mukhya, then the other has to become amukhya. If one is sarvantara, another will become asarvantara. Itarena asarvantarena anatmana. One is atma, another will become anatma. टीका अनेक मुख्यत्व असंभवात् वस्तुतः परिच्छिन्नस्य घटवत् अब्रह्मत्वात् अनात्मत्वाच्च एकमेव मुख्यं प्रत्यग्भूतं ब्रह्म इत्यर्थः. अनेक मुख्यत्व is not possible. More than one king in the same kingdom, or president or prime minister, there is no functioning only one person. In spiritualizations, sometimes they try to create this. There is a spiritual head, there is administrative head, and there is confusion. In certain things it will work, but in certain things it will not work. अनेक मुख्यत्व असंभवात् वस्तुतः परिच्छिन्नस्य, whatever is parichinna, like ghata, ghatavat, it will become abrahma, abrahmatvat, anatmatvacha, ekameva mukhyam pratyakbhutam brahma. Brahma has to be only one, it has to be atma, it has to be mukhya alone, and it has to be pratyak. यदि जीवेश्वर भेदा भावात् प्रश्नयोर न अर्थ भेदा है. Between Jiva and Ishvara, Bheda Abhavat, because they are having Samana Lakshana. Jiva Ishvara Bheda Abhavat, Prashnayo na Artha Bheda. There is no Artha Bheda in Prashna. Tarhi Punarukti Anarthika. Then Punarukti is of no use, means there should not have been Punarukti. इति आशंक्याः तस्मात् एकस्यैव द्विः श्रवणं विशेष विवक्षया. Therefore एकस्य द्विश्रवणं, one alone is said twice. In both the brahmanas, same atma is discussed, same atma is answered. तर्हि स एव विशेषो दर्शितव्य. Then that vishesha you should show. दर्शयितव्यो येन पुनरुक्ति अर्थवती. So then you'd say Punarukti is there, but Punarukti has some Vishesha. What is that Vishesha that you tell them? Means the reason why this was asked again. If it was already discussed earlier, why did you again put the same question and then the answer was different? So that is what he gives now. Yattu purvoktena samanam द्वितीये प्रश्नांतर उक्तम तावन मात्रम पूर्वस्य एव अनुवादस तस्य एव अनुक्तः कश्चित् विशेषो वक्तव्य इति पूर्वोक्तेन समानम द्वितीय प्रश्नांतर उक्तम प्रश्नांतरम इज देयर और प्रश्नांतर उक्तम. So what was asked earlier, Samana question is asked in the next one also. प्रश्नांतर इति अस्य स्थाने प्रश्नोत्तर इति पाठ. Because prashnantaram should be there. Prashnottar is better part. Otherwise, prashnantare, if you do, then it can work. Prashnantara, prashnantare uktam, tavan matram purvasya eva anuvada. The first part is the anuvada of what was said earlier. Tasya eva anuktah kaschid vishesho vaktavya. But then of that, some vishesha vaktavya, something which was not said, is to be said now. Iti. Tika. Anukta vishesha kathanartham ukta parimanam nirnetum uktanuvadasched anukto vishesha starhi pradarshyatam iti pruchyate. So if it is something which was said, but anukta vishesha kathanartham ukta parimanam, all this discussion is for something which was not said earlier, same thing is said. So for that nirnaya is this punaha prashna. So then that vishesha should be said. So somebody is asking, kaha puna asau vishesha? What is that vishesha? Uchyate. बुभुत्सितं विशेषं दर्शयति. बुभुत्सितं
बोद्धुमिच्छा.
My question is बुभुत्सितं. Bodhum ishtam. If nishtha pratyay is done, you have to give nishtha pratyay answer. बुभुत्सितं विशेषं दर्शयति उच्यते. पूर्वस्मिन् प्रश्ने अस्ति व्यतिरिक्त आत्मा यस्य अयं सप्रयोजको बंध उक्त इति. In the previous question, पूर्वस्मिन् प्रश्ने अस्ति व्यतिरिक्त आत्मा, व्यतिरिक्त देहाद व्यतिरिक्त, that atma which is different from sthula sukshma sharira, pramatradi व्यतिरिक्त tat sakshi. 10 number tippani. So in the previous question, asti was given, that there is some such thing, atma. Yasya ayam saprayojako bandha ukta. who, because of the identification with the upadhis, main identification is with ashana pipasa, shoka moha jara mrityu, because of which he has bandha. That much was said. Now it is said he does not have these six. So nididhyasanam is like this. When I am hungry and thought comes, no, ashanaya is not in me. Pipasa is not in me. Shokam, moham, they are not in me. So while I am experiencing at that time, if this thought triggers, they are not in me. Why? Shruti balat. Shruti has already said this. And I have understood through Anvaya Vyatireka that in Sushupti there is Vyatireka of all this, so that they cannot be me. We saw in Upadesh Sahasri also yesterday. So then whatever Vyatireka I can do, that is not me. If this vritti keeps coming repeatedly, when Ashana Pipasa, there is enough opportunity. Whole day there is Ashana Pipasa or Shoka Moha. Jara is always there for most people. Mrityu when it comes, or Mrityu Bhaya when it comes, that time itself I say, no, I don't have. So this Vishesha was not given in the previous Brahmana. What was given was only Saprayojako Bandha Uktaha. Bandhana of Atma along with the Prayojaka, Karma Adi, that was said. Actually, Karmadi were talked in the first three Brahmana. In the previous Brahmana, there is no, Chaturtha Brahmana didn't talk about that. So, Prayojaka Bandha part was given earlier. Dvitiyetu tasyaiva atmano ashanayadi samsara dharmati tattvam vishesha uchyate. And in Dvitiya Brahmana, of the same Atma, ashanayadi sansara dharma atitattvam. This is the Vishesha. Tika. इति शब्दः क्रियापदेन संबध्यते. बंध उक्त इति. इति उच्यते. किमिति एष विशेषो निर्दिश्यते तत्राह. Why this विशेष is given? यद विशेष परिज्ञानात् संन्यास सहितात् पूर्वोक्तात् बंधनात् विमुच्यते. So by saying this, what is the Vishesha now? Because with this sannyas sahitat purvokta bandhanat vimuchyate. So now he has sannyasa, because eshanas are your mukhya bandhana. You give up eshana, you will be free. टीका. अर्थ भेद असंभवे फलितमाह. So अर्थ भेद is not there. Therefore, what is the phalitam? Tasmat prashna prativachanayor eshata atma iti evam antayos tulyarthata eva. Therefore, between the question and the answer, eshata atma iti evam antayoho tulyarthata. They have samana artha. So what is the conclusion? There is only one Atma. Same question was asked. Vishesha was given in the form of how one, with the help of sadhana, can get released from that bandhana. That was not discussed in the Ushastra. That is discussed in this Kaholotama. In Tika, one more sentence is remaining. Yo ashanaya ityadina tu vivakshita vishesha uktihi iti sheshaha. So, yo ashanaya pipasa, this is all new in this Brahmana. Ekam eva atma tattvam adhikritya prashna viti atra chodayati. Ekam eva atma tattvam adhikritya prashnau. these both the questions are regarding the same atma. Iti atra chodayati nanu katham ekasyaiva atmano ashanayadi atitatvam tadvatvam cha iti viruddha dharma samvayitvam iti. Who will explain this vakya? Hindi. Ekasyeva atmano ashanayadi atitatvam. One atma, same atma, which is beyond ashanayadi, atitatvam. And tadvatvam cha. Tadvatvam means ashanayadivatvam. It is beyond ashanadi also, because in this brahmana it is said this atma is beyond ashana, pipasa, etc. But in the previous brahmana, it was said this same atma is samsari. So how can same atma be samsari also and asamsari also? This is the viruddha dharma. I don't know what they have explained in the Hindi. Here only kshuddha dharma. But kshuddha dharma means samsaritva, asamsaritva. This you should. That don't keep only ashana, because ashanaya is the first one. Shokam and no shokam. Moham and no moham. Dukkham and no dukkham. This way, because my problem, hunger, thirst, after some time is not a bigger problem. Main problem is shoka, moha, dukkha, all these. Tika. Viruddha dharmavatvat mitho bhinnau prashnarthau iti etad dushayati. Viruddha dharmavatvat, because they have viruddha dharma. Mitho bhinno prashnarthau. So somebody says there is different thing regarding which there are two questions. Iti dushayati. Siddhanti says na parihritatvat. We have already refuted. What have you refuted? Parihritatvam eva prakatayati. Acharya explains. Now, nama rupa vikara karya karana lakshana sanghata upadi bheda samparka janita bhranti matram hi samsaritvam iti asakrit avochama. We have so many times said this, that samsaritvam is because of nama rupa vikara कार्य करण लक्षण संघात उपाधि भेद संपर्क जनित. संपर्क means संपर्क is also not actual, it is also adhyasta samparka, because atma is asanga. How sansar samparka is possible? But samparka janita bhranti, this is samsaritva. So really speaking, there is no samsaritva. टीका तयोर विकारः कार्य करण लक्षण संघात स एव उपाधि भेदस तेन संपर्कस तस्मिन् अहम मम अध्यास तेन जनिता भ्रांति अहम कर्ता इत्याद्य. तयोः नाम रूपयोः, देर विकार इज दिस कार्य करण लक्षण संघात. कार्यकरणं लक्षणं यस्य संघातस्य स संघातः कार्यकरण लक्षण. Because of the upadhi bheda tena samparkas tasmin, in that aham mama adhyasa comes. Naisargiko adhyasa. Tena janita bhrantihi. Arising from that is this bhranti. What? Aham karta ityadya. तावन मात्रम संसारित्वम इति अनेकशो व्युत्पादितम. अनेकशः मेनी टाइम्स. दिस मच अलोन इज संसारित्वम. तस्मात् नास्ति वस्तुतो विरुद्ध धर्मवत्वम इत्यर्थः. Therefore वस्तुतः there is no विरुद्ध धर्मत्वम between पूर्व ब्राह्मण and this ब्राह्मण. Kincha, up to that, let us keep. Because now there is some reference to Madhu Brahmana. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः।